Today, I'm so excited to bring you along for a perfect summer weekend day with me and my daughter, wearing all products from Revlon ColorStay collection. After my morning routine, it's time for the makeup look. Revlon ColorStay longwear makeup in the color Warm Golden. It gives a perfect, flawless finish. This foundation is transfer-proof, waterproof, and contains skin-care ingredients. Now, the Revlon ColorStay Micro Brow in the color Dark Brown. I groom and blend the hairs, then I use the micro fine tip to fill in my brows. It creates such a natural brow hair look. After brows, I'm going in to build in a shadow look using Revlon ColorStay Day to Night palette in Stylish. I love creating dimension with the matte shades and highlighting my lids with the shimmer shades. Now, Revlon ColorStay Micro Easy Precision Liquid Liner in Blackout. I love how precise the micro tip is. This liner is up to 24 hours wear. Now lips. Revlon ColorStay Long Wear Lip Liner in Raisin. And then Revlon ColorStay Suede Ink Lipstick in Lady Topaz. The perfect look. This lip is a no transfer formula. Color stays where it belongs, your lips. I always finish my face with a bit of powder, and I'm off to breakfast with my daughter so we can be ready for the day. We are headed to the botanical garden today to make it for the spring flowers and the gorgeous weather, of course. After a few hours outside, my makeup is in the perfect condition. This evening, I'll be heading into the city for a work event, and I know my makeup will be lasting all night long.